Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ty Tucker. Hi, if you're new here. Hello, if you're not. Welcome to my channel. Hello. You guys, this is the look we're going for today. My mother is a Younique. She does Younique, so she sells Younique. And so she sent me a box, and this is the look we came up with today. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much. Enjoy.
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast all time.
This box is huge, so let's get right into it. I have not opened this up yet, and I'm excited for it. Let's see here if I can open this up with nails. Girl, I don't know if I can. Yeah, my mom, she's very big supportive. She's huge supporting me. And she asked me to do a review on this. And I said, you know what? Yeah. So this is not sponsored. This is not paid. I'm just doing it on behalf of my mother and supporting her because she supports me. And so let's get into it here. This box is huge. Oh my lord. This is the box that it comes in, you guys. And then it has like this little... Oh my. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. So let's get right into it here. Guys, right off the bat here, when I first open up this package, there are 1, 2, 3 mascaras. So what we have here is we have the Moodstruck Epic Mascara, we have the Moodstruck Epic 4D Mascara, and we have another Moonstruck Epic Mascara. I believe this one is waterproof black, this one right here, and then I think this one is just a normal black mascara, not waterproof. I could be wrong. It just does not say on the top here. So I'm excited to dive into these ones. I'm especially excited to dive into the 4D mascara. That would be super exciting to do. And then also it looks like we have a Moonstruck Splash liquid lipstick. And I believe this is in the color Sizzling. And it looks like this. My nail just popped off. You guys, the next thing I see in here is a Yoology hydrating mask. I'm super excited about this. I love a good mask. So I can't wait to dive into this here to use as an overnight mask. Perfect. I love overnight masks. I can't wait to dive into this tonight before I go to bed. You know, I love skin. I love having clear skin. And so every night I usually take my my makeup off with makeup wipes, and then I use soap and water, and then I'll moisturize, and then I'll put on an overnight mask. So I'm super excited about this one here. Can't wait to dive into that. The next thing I have in here is some Younique cleansing cloths. So that's another exciting thing, because you can never have enough makeup wipes to take off your makeup at night. The next thing I see in here is grapefruit water toning spritz. This better smell like grapefruit because I love grapefruit. Cannot wait to put this on. And this one says, use after cleansing skin and throughout the day. Hold grapefruit water to 6 inches away from you. Well, since I already moisturized and everything, Alright, you guys, and the next thing I see in here is, it looks like it could be an eyeshadow palette. Let's take a look. It says Younique, and it is an eyeshadow compartment. So you can buy separate eyeshadows and put them in here. They're just magnetic, and you can have your own little makeup palette right here. So that's pretty cool. I like that idea. The next thing in here is another Moonstruck Epic Mascara. This is in the color brown. So we have a black, a waterproof black, a brown. So that's cool. And then I see here that we have 2 more lipsticks. This one is a liquid oh, no, this is a liquid shadow. So that's really cool. And that's in the color Business Like. And then this is a Moonstruck lipstick. And this is in the color Conceited. Oh, that's cool. And let's see here. The next thing that I see right away is actually 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the pressed eyeshadows that go in with that 4 palette, the 4 eyeshadow palette holder. Here is this cute little purple shade, and it's called Ambiguous. Next, we have this nice darker purple shade, and that one's called Gifted. We have a nice little translucent nude shade, and this is called Discreet. And then last is like a brown shimmery shade, and this is called Antsy. So that's super exciting here. We'll get into those here in a little bit once we put them into my little compartment. It's just a couple more things here. We have an oil mask, an oil control mask. We have 2 of those. And then it looks like we have 2 brightening masks. So I can't wait to use those 2. This one says nothing. So that's cool. It doesn't tell me if I can use it before or after. So I'll probably get into those after I do my makeup here. We'll see what it's like. And then we have a couple more items here. It looks like this could be a lip liner or an eyeliner. Oh, it's a Moonstruck Precision Dip and Draw eyeliner. And this is in the color Perfect. So that one, let's hope it's perfect because y'all know me with eyeliners. And then we have a powder luminizer here. So that one's exciting. And then last, oh, not last, couple to last, we have translucent setting powder, which is super good to have always in your makeup here. And then it looks like we have 1 brush. And this is a fluffy crease brush. So I can't wait to dive into that. Alright you guys, I went ahead and did my foundation, my concealer, and my contour off camera. So now that before this all starts creasing, I'm going to go in with the Touch Behold Translucent Setting Powder from Younique here. And I'm going to set my face.
Like a captive, I'm to you, used to pay to my lies.
Alright you guys, now that I have the translucent powder on, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush off the excess powder that I have around my forehead and my facial area here. And what I'm going to go in with now is, wow, my skin's so clear. What I'm going to go in with now is I'm going to take their A La Mode, which is a powder luminizer, and I'm going to take my beauty blender here, and I'm going to dip into this illuminizer, and I'm going to focus that on underneath my eye, and where pretty much wherever I put concealer at. I really want that to pop. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and did my brows, my highlight, and my blush off camera. For my brows, I used my e.l.f. Precision Brow Pencil. For my blush, I used e.l.f.'s blush. And then for my highlight, I went ahead and used the Bretman Rock and Wet n Wild's dual highlighter. And now we're going to jump into the eyes. And for the eyes, I primed with my Painterly Paint Pot from MAC Cosmetics. So the first color I want to dip into here is, this is the color Discreet right here. I'm going to use this as a transition shade, and I'm just going to take the fluffy crease brush from Younique here. I'm going to dip into this, and I'm going to create a new crease with it. And for this, it's going to be my transition shade as well. I'm just going to pop this right here and just bring it up. And then just buff that out a little bit here. And now, I'm not going to go too wild with the look today, just I have these 4 colors. And then I might use the liquid eyeshadow, I'm not too sure yet. But for right now, I'm going to stick with these 4 colors. Next, I'm going to dip into this color right here. This color is called Gifted. It's a nice little pinky shimmery shade. And I'm going to use that same fluffy brush I just got done using. And that I'm going to focus this mainly on the corner out here. And then I'm going to bring it up just a little bit into my natural crease, and then up. Wow. This actually has a lot of pigment in it. And I'm going to bring that out and up. Alright you guys, now that I have those 2 shades down, the next color I'm going to go in with is the Ambiguous. Yes, Ambiguous. It's this deep purple shade that's also kind of shimmery here. I'm using that same brush here, only because they're about the same colors here. So I'm going to dip into this right here, and this, I'm going to focus on the main ends, but I'm also going to smoke it in. So I want to focus right here, but I want to bring it in, and then up. I want to leave that pink shade out a little bit. All right, guys, taking a clean, fluffy brush. This is from Bretman Rock and Wet n Wild. I'm going to dip back into that pink shade just a little bit more here. And I want to bring that up. And smoke it out just a little bit more. And then blend in that purple and that pink. Like that. Okay, guys, for that antsy shade, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the center of my eye. I'm going to take a Morphe flat angled brush like so. I'm just going to take some setting spray here and wet my brush. Like that. And then I'm going to dip into that antsy shade, this color right here. And I'm going to put that right here on the very center. Just following my natural eyeball. The natural shape of my eyeball. You know, I'm really enjoying this look. To finish up the eyes, I'm going to go back in with that with that Younique brush I had earlier, dip into that purple shade Ambiguous, and I'm going to drag that below.
Rainbows playing it cool. I was all this in ages and I have no more patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer?
Alright, you guys, while my lashes are drying, I'm going to be using Kiss lashes, and they're in the style Teddy. And I just did my eyeliner here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with the Younique 4D lash mascara here. It's called Moonstruck Epic 4D. I'm going to put that on my lashes here, and then after that, I'm going to put on my falsies. Alright, you guys, so next I'm going to go in with the 4D Younique mascara here. I'm going to add this onto my top lashes here.
You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
Alright, you guys, I went ahead and threw on my lashes here. So last step here is I'm going to take the Younique, this is Splash liquid lipstick in the color Sizzling. And I don't have a lip liner, so I'm just going to go in with this here, and we'll see how this works. Ooh, that's really red. I've only had to dip in, this is the second time I had to dip into this. This stuff is super great, you guys. Don't worry, I'm going to clean up my bottom lip. I've only had to dip into that one time, and it did a full coverage on the bottom lip already. All right, you guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I absolutely love it. I love almost every product I use. The only thing I did not like as much is the lipstick. And I only say that underneath one thing. It's the applicator. Well, two things. The applicator, and then also it doesn't dry. It's not a matte lipstick. I am a matte lipstick type of queen, but if you don't like matte lipsticks, if you like them to stay a little bit wet, perfect for you. The only major thing about it is the applicator. I wish it was either more pointy or bigger and easier to work with. Other than that, you guys, I loved everything else I used. If you want like a little subtle glow for a highlight, definitely use the luminizer then, because that one has a little bit of a sparkle to it. Anyways, yeah, the 4D mascara was great. If you guys want to do some Younique, if you guys want to get your toes into the makeup industry and you are not very familiar with makeup, definitely go with Younique. I'll leave my mom's link down below here so you can check out her website and look into some products. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button to be notified whenever I upload. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye.